Hi, I prepared a video on how to download the Visual Studio from Microsoft. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser. Any browser will do. So I'm gonna use the Google Chrome. So here, so after you're here, you can type in visualstudio.com and then just wait for it to load up. So you'll be routed to the official website of Microsoft where you can download the Visual Studio. So just at the top of your screen or the home page, you'll see some option here and just press on the download button here. Okay, and there's a lot of option also here, so you can also try free trial with the professional and enterprise. So for us to get the free download, you can just try the community, but it's up to you if you wanted to download a different version. So it's currently downloading here. So after it downloaded, you can try to open this, and then the installation just begin. So while waiting for this one, for more videos like this, by the way, you can follow and subscribe to our channel. So okay, just press continue, and then currently it's now downloading and installing at the same time. So just wait for this one. So downloading right now, it's almost done downloading, so it's verifying, and then let's just wait for it to install. So yeah, it's now installed. And just to give you a heads up, actually, um, before installing the app, it usually give you the option to select the packages that you wanted to include with your installation. So I'll just let you know when it's already ready for installation. So just give it a moment. And then here, what I've said, you need to select which package you wanted to include with your installation. So I'll just try to pick a random package here. So let's just wait for it to load. Mhm. It's quite sluggish, but just wait for it. So it says getting things ready. Okay, so right now I'll just select the package that I wanted to include with my installation. So I'm gonna use the Python and also the ASP.NET. So it's up to you actually if you wanted to include some package here. So I'll just install this one. So it's now currently downloading. So just wait for it. So the installing process is also done. So this might take a while. So again, let's wait for this one to finish. Okay, right now it was successfully downloaded. So you have an option here to modify or to launch. So since it is already downloaded, I'll try to launch the Microsoft Visual Studio. All right. So after launching, you can actually sign in or create an account. So also you can skip for this now. Okay, so it's currently loading up. Okay, so I just successfully launched the Visual Studio. So the app looks like this. So you can now start using the Visual Studio. So for more videos like this, just follow and subscribe with our channel. Thank you.